Hey everyone, Tech Steve here, and one of the buzzwords I keep hearing is spatial computing. As you know, people are coming out with a lot of videos with different types of glasses. They're coming out with these $3,500 goggles, but the thing is, what is the real functionality and is it affordable? Well, I partnered with XREAL to show you something a little different. These are the XREAL Air 2 Pro, and these are very cool glasses with the OLED screens in them. They have built-in speakers. They even have a USB-C cable that can connect to a lot of different devices to give you a larger screen. And they even support up to 120 Hertz. They come in a box with futuristic graphics on it, and when you open them up, they even come with a carrying case. You also get a cleaning cloth, you get some paperwork, and there's even a cover with them so you can black out the room whenever you want to. And I like the fact that XREAL included different nose pieces so they fit just about anyone's face. But the thing that was missing is this right here. This is the XREAL Beam Pro, and it's a great add-on to give you the full AR spatial experience out of the XREAL Air 2 Pro glasses. First of all, this device is powered by NVIDIA Cloud XR technology, and it harnesses the power of the NVIDIA RTX GPUs for high performance rendering. And the XREAL Beam Pro is powered by the Snapdragon Spatial Companion processor, and there's two configurations available. I'm using the 6 GB of RAM with 128 gigs of storage, but you can upgrade to the model with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage. There's even a micro USB card slot, so you can expand it up to 1 TB of additional storage. On the side, it has a power button, your volume up and down, and the red button on the side allows you to change your AR experience from smooth following over to body anchors so you can control the experience inside of the XREAL Air 2 Pro. Another unique feature is on the bottom you have two USB-C ports. One of the ports is used for charging the battery, and the second port is used for the XREAL glasses. Another unique feature is that you see two camera lenses which are 50 millimeters apart. And this gap mimics the distance of human eyes, so now you can record in 3D, and with the glasses you can get the full effect of all your recordings in the palm of your hand. Here's an example using the single camera on the XREAL Beam Pro, and it has a very good picture quality. Switching over to spatial video, now we can get the full effect of the 3D imaging that can be processed through the XREAL Air 2 Pro glasses. But keep in mind, this has a maximum resolution of 1080p at 60 frames per second. In my opinion, this is a great feature whenever you want to record those special events and get more realistic looks to it. This XREAL Beam Pro is not a phone, so you don't get a SIM card, but it does have 2.4 and 5 GHz capabilities. And the great thing is that you have access to the Google Play Store, so now you can use millions of apps on glasses. You're probably thinking, how does this all work and what does it really do? Well, let's get into it. The XREAL Beam Pro is powered by NebulaOS, and this software, when connected to the XREAL Air 2 Pro, unlocks all the AR features. And you'll love the fact that this doesn't use unreliable hand gestures. You basically have this trackpad that you can use to navigate through your glasses. Addition to that, it has a gyro system, so as you move it around, you can basically use it like a computer. So let me show you a little bit more how it works and what you can do with it. The first thing you'll notice is that you'll have access to all the applications that are installed on the XREAL Beam Pro. If you slide down from the top, you can see your battery life, the Wi-Fi connection, as well as the time and a few other icons. If you need to edit a document, no problem, because a keyboard will appear on the screen, so you can just type in anything that you need. Once the application is open, you have different settings at the top of them where you can make them larger, smaller. You can even move the applications around to a location that you want. But one of the funnest experiences for me with the XREAL Beam Pro was using the Xbox. To set it up, what you want to do is head over to the Google Play Store and go ahead and download it. Once it's downloaded, log into your Xbox account that you have your console on and make sure that they're on the exact same Wi-Fi. Now what I did is I head over to my console and did a feature called Xbox Host. The way you do this, you go to your settings, device connections, remote features, and make sure that that feature is enabled so external devices can access your gaming console. Then I went back to the settings, pressed on general and power options, and I switched it from energy savings mode over to sleep mode. And this allows the XREAL Beam Pro to get access to your gaming console when it's in standby mode. And if you have access to it, make sure you use the 5 GHz frequency to optimize the console for gameplay. For the final few steps, I went back over to the application, I chose the libraries and clicked on console. It found my Xbox on the Wi-Fi, and then I pressed on remote play on this device, and we was almost ready to go. The last thing I need to do is go back into the Bluetooth settings of the XREAL Beam Pro. Then I pressed the pairing button on the front of the Xbox controller. Once that was connected, I was ready to go, and now I could start enjoying the Xbox games on the XREAL Beam Pro. So now I have the game loaded, and as you can see, I can use this controller on the XREAL Beam Pro to move around just like I would on my main console. So let's find something here that we can play so we can see what it looks like. Besides the productivity that you can do with the XREAL Beam Pro and the XREAL Air 2 Pro glasses, I found myself using them for a lot of different situations, especially when you need a larger screen. And I even tried this out at the gym, which worked really great because I was able to catch up on some of my favorite TV shows, and I didn't have to watch that boring screen that was just counting down the calories that I was burning. So I wouldn't recommend you play pool or anything like that, but check this out. On the front of it, you have the switch. I can black everything out, or I can make it transparent so I can see my surroundings, and you still get the virtual apps on the screen, which is pretty cool as well. And right now, this is a good option if you don't want to break the bank and get the AR experience. The fact that you have this Android-based device, you can use it on your Wi-Fi and get all the access to all your different applications that you love and enjoy every day. And this is great for people who travel a lot or people who just want a larger screen and have a lot more privacy. With this combination, it's time to take that spatial computing to the next level. If you guys are interested, I'll leave all the links of everything that I mentioned in this video today in the description below. I'm Tech Steve. Thanks all for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.